Part 20 of the Tips for Teachers series, the Gradebook Part 1. Assignment tab, Sorting. By default, the template in Canvas will sort assignments into quizzes, discussions, and assignments. You may also have groups from previous course imports. To create a group, select the plus group button in the upper right-hand corner. Title the group by selecting in the first entry field. You may add the percentage weight of the group in the field below. Select the Save button. To sort assignments, simply select the pair of vertical ellipses to the left of the assignment title and drag. When you see the area beneath expand, that is where your item will drop. There are a couple options to add a percentage weight to groups. Select the vertical ellipsis at the top right corner of the page. Select the assignment group's weight option. If it is already checked, this property is already active in your course. If it is not, check the first checkbox in the pop-up that appears. In the entry field for each group, you may type the percentage totals. The totals row at the bottom calculates the total of each weight. Select Save to keep your weights. The second option is to select the vertical ellipsis in the top corner of each group. From the drop-down list, select Edit. In the pop-up that appears, select the second entry field. Type in the percentage for the group you selected. Select Save to keep the percentage. If you do not want to calculate final grades by weighted groups, remove the checkmark from the assignment group's weight pop-up. Save your choice. You will see there are no longer percentages across from the group titles. It is imperative your groups and weights match those listed in your syllabus. Gradebook, configuring your view. To view the new gradebook, select Grades from your course navigation column. You will land on a page with columns labeled after assignments and rows labeled after students. There are configuration options in the top left, a keyboard shortcut menu on the right, a search field on the far right, and a gearbox on the farthest right for editing policy settings. The first option on the farthest left is the Gradebook button. Select Individual View to see one student and assignment at a time. To see the Gradebook history, select Gradebook History from the drop-down menu. You may filter results by student, grader, assignment, and from start date to end date. Press Filter when your categories are set. Otherwise, the Gradebook will show all changes from the beginning of the class as you scroll. To escape Gradebook history, select Grades from the Course Navigation column. To arrange your view, select Arrange By to order columns by default order or creation date, by assignment name, backwards and forwards, due date, oldest to newest, and the reverse, points lowest to highest, and the reverse, and module first to last, and the reverse. Select Filter to see the options for organizing columns by assignment group, module, sections, and/or student groups. Drop-down menus expand on the far right that filter groups, modules, sections, or student groups for separate viewing. Select the filter again to remove it. You may configure the statuses for assignment submissions in the Statuses window. You will see the current compass for the colors, and if you select the vertical ellipsis at the right of the box, you can change the color coding of the submission types. Select a different color, press Apply, and then Done. Under Columns, you may choose to view notes in your gradebook, as well as unpublished items. The last view configuration is Actions. Under this option, you are able to upload or download your gradebook. Besides colors, Canvas uses codes to signify the status of an assignment. A dash means there is no submission and no grade for the student. A paper with an exclamation mark on it means that there is a submission but no grade. The icon will reappear if the item was graded but resubmitted. The visibility icon, a slashed I, means the assignment is invisible to students either because it is muted or because grades are manually posted and presently unreleased. A red exclamation mark next to an assignment means the grade is unsupported. The rejection could be for formatting reasons or it does not match the grading scheme. As you can see, different values are acceptable. Assignments that are unpublished, anonymous, or not assigned to select students will be grayed out without dashes. To show dashes and grades, publish the item or reveal grades. Gradebook, configuring grading policies. In the Gradebook, on the farthest right, the gearbox icon brings up a window for managing grading policies automatically. You can apply a default reduced grade to missing submissions. Once you select the checkbox, you may enter the remaining percentage possible for missing submissions by either typing or clicking the arrows. Select the second checkbox to apply a deduction to late submissions. You may type the percentage or select the arrows. Add an interval that tells Canvas to deduct this percentage after a set number of hours or a day. Finally, you can set the lowest possible percentage before you no longer accept submissions. To configure the grade posting policy, select the tab in the middle of the window. The radio button for automatically post grades is the default selection. To manually post grades, or hide grades until you are ready to release them, select the second radio button. To allow Canvas's final grade calculations to be overwritten, select the checkbox under the Advanced tab. Once you have configured the policies, select Update in the lower right-hand corner. Submissions, downloading and uploading. In the assignment page, you may save your students' submissions. Select the download link from the Related Items column. Name the zip. Select the location of the zip. Select Save. You may download separate submissions in individual view. Select the student, the assignment, and scroll to the grading section. Select Submission Details, and then download from the assignment link. You may download submissions in the Speed Grader. Select the downward arrow across from the assignment title and preview link. There is also a function for downloading all submissions from the individual view. Select Download All Submissions from the Assignment Information section. Once downloaded, you may re-upload submissions with your edits. Select Choose File and locate it. Select Upload Files. You will see the names of the successful uploads. And you may now return to your course.